Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be explaining some features on my Bonk bot. This video is actually based on requests. Some people were requesting I make a video on how to withdraw with Bonk bot. First off, if you want to withdraw with your Bonk bot, you can do that in two ways. Like I explained to you earlier, you can when you create a Bonk bot, I always advise you import your Bonk bot account to your Phantom wallet. So you can actually withdraw any of your token. You can actually withdraw your token from your Phantom wallet. But if you want to make use of your Bonk bot to do your withdrawal, all you need to do is to touch the menu option. When you touch menu, you can see the features here. Touch home, view traits and open main menu. Just touch home and allow it to load. Yes, now that you've opened the menu option, all you need to do is this. All you need to do is this, touch wallet. You can see touch wallet. Then you can see withdraw. So withdraw also. If you want to withdraw all the Solana from your wallet, let's assume you traded one particular meme coin and you made profits. Your profit should be in Solana. So you want to withdraw your soul out to maybe to exchange where you want to sell, like to convert to fiat. Fiat means your your home currency, your country currency. If you want to withdraw to maybe naira, I don't know what country you're watching from. So if you want to withdraw to your country's currency, you withdraw your Solana to any exchange where you want to convert it to fiat. So all you need to do is to either you click on, if you want to withdraw all the Solana in your wallet, you touch withdraw also. But if you want to withdraw, maybe let's assume you have like two SOL in your wallet, you want to withdraw one, or you want to withdraw 0.5 or 0.1, depends on you. So all you need to do is to touch withdraw X SOL. So they will now ask you reply with the amount to withdraw. Whether you want to withdraw 0 to, because what I have in my wallet is 0.6. That's why they said withdraw 0 to 0.6. So I'll be typing 0.1. That's what I want to withdraw. Then they will now say reply with the destination address. So now it's left for you to get, okay, let me get a wallet for us to use and demonstrate this. Let me get one of my wallets. I'm coming. I'm back here. I've copied my wallet address. So let's assume they say reply with the destination address. So I copied one of my Solana address. I'll paste it here. Let's assume this is where you want to send your Solana to be able to convert it to fiat, to naira or to dollar or to anything that you want to convert to. So you click on this. They said please approve the withdrawal using the BonkBot Auto Mini app. This is part of the Bonk security upgrade. For more information, see our tweet on this. So all I need to do is approve transaction via Mini app. You can see this. Can you see what happened? So once I touch this, once I click on approve, transaction will go. Can you see? So this is actually a new feature, like the approval. On a normal, it normally appears here, you just approve. But now they take you to where you approve. So that is it, transaction confirmed. Do you get? Then another thing, I believe you understand what I just did. Then another thing I will be explaining based on request too is this. Someone asked me if he was buying, maybe he bought a particular meme coin, maybe he has been buying. So or maybe a coin he didn't actually buy with BonkBot, that he bought it maybe from the DEX, either Jupiter or Radium, and maybe he wants to sell it with BonkBot. Then how will he be able to see the coin on Bonk to be able to sell it? Because he said whenever he pastes the contract address, all he will see is buy. He won't see the sell option. So this is what you need to do. You touch this menu option. Once you touch the menu option, click on home. Once you click on home, you wait for it to load. Then this is it. You will see all this is all the token you have in this wallet and in this Bonk bot is arranged accordingly. The first one you can see here is Trump, $5, Angie, Bonk, Davido. Then scroll down to the 20th one. I have over 240 other tokens in this wallet. So if I want to move to the previous one, no, this one actually stopped at 21. If you want to see the previous one, all you need to do is to click on next. Can you see? Wait for it to change. When you click next, you see it has actually changed. See 21, 21 back, 22, 23 to 40. Now, back to what we're saying. Let's assume that this number 39, which is cabbage, you actually bought it with maybe your radium. You bought it on the DEX, not with your Bonk bot, but you want to sell it with Bonk bot. Do you understand what I want to explain now? Let's assume you bought this cabbage on with your radium or any of the DEX and you want to sell it on Bonk bot. Remember, anything whether you bought with radium, Bonk bot, once you click on this menu option, all the coins you have in this wallet will appear here. So take note of that. So let's assume we want to sell this cabbage that we bought it with other DEX. All we need to do is to touch the cabbage. Once you touch the cabbage, wait for it to load. Once you touch the cabbage, it will bring out everything you need to know about the cabbage. Can you see? Now, it will bring out home, close, DCA swap, limit, buy with this. Then under it, when you have seen buy, you will see sell options. Can you understand me now? I hope you are getting what I'm saying. This is a token you bought from the DEX and you want to sell it with your Bonk bot. So it's actually very possible for you. All you need to do is to follow these steps I've already explained. Then come here and touch maybe sell 50%, something like that. Can you see? Transaction successful. I've actually sold it. So that is it. That is it. It's very easy. This is actually very, 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 very easy. So I think I've done justice to this, all the requests that were made from my audience. So guys, there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, for more helpful tutorials. Bye.